Everybody stand on your feet. Grab your neighbor and say, neighbor, look at me now. Tell him I may look like I got on my pit clothes, but check with me. In a few more days, I'll be in my palace. I'll be in a new place from the pit of a palace. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. God has taken me from the pit to the palace. They took off my robe of many colors. The robe of many colors means that I would be a blessing to so many people. Come on and say yeah. But they took off his robe and they dipped it in blood, took it back to his body. But his father said, I know. I said, I know. My son can't be dead. Because I know the dream he told me. That the sun and moon and the 11 stars got to one day bow down. Come on and say, yeah. I come to tell everybody that one day the dream you have, whatever it is, God will make it come to pass. Don't worry about your haters. Don't worry about your dream killers. Don't worry about what you don't have. Just hold on to a promise. Hold on to your dream. One day, God. Yes, sir. My. Touch your neighbor, say, neighbor, keep your dream alive. Look at Joseph now. He's not in the pit anymore. He's got royalty wrapped all around him. He's got royalty. Everywhere he goes, he's got royalty. Everywhere he moves, he got royalty. In the bathroom, he got royalty. In the living room, royalty. Touch 3 people and say, keep your dream alive. Come on, tell somebody, tell them like it means, say, keep your dream alive. Tell somebody else, keep it alive. Keep lifting it up. Keep letting God blow on it. Keep it in the praise.